Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on the website. First, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and an updated web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Next, navigate to the official Roblox website. If you're new, you'll need to create a free account by providing a username, password, and birth date. If you already have an account, simply log in using your existing credentials. This initial step is crucial for accessing the vast world of Roblox games. Once you've chosen a game you want to play, click the prominent green play button. This action will trigger a small pop-up window guiding you to download the Roblox player. This essential software is what allows games to run on your computer. The installation process is usually very quick, often completing in under 60 seconds. Just follow the simple on-screen prompts, and the player will be ready to launch your chosen experience. With the Roblox player successfully installed, your selected game should automatically begin loading. If, for any reason, it doesn't launch immediately, simply return to the game's page on the website and click the play button once more. The player will then initiate the game, connecting you to the server. Explore the diverse game library by using the search bar or browsing categories such as popular or top earning to discover new adventures. If you encounter any issues, first check that your computer meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, which are generally quite low, requiring only a 1.6 GHz processor and 1 GB of RAM. For loading problems, try clearing your web browser's cache and cookies. A simple restart of your computer and internet router can often resolve connectivity glitches. Remember, a smooth experience depends on a stable internet connection and a properly installed Roblox player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.